Joy.
Blow kiss. Good morning. Are you eating your breakfast? Are you eating your breakfast? What are you eating? What's it called?
Rainbows.
Yeah. Are those marshmallows in your cereal?
Yeah.
Is it good, Aiden? Is yours good? I guess so, if you're picking out all the marshmallows. Is that Choo-Choo? Say yeah. Say hi.
Yeah, I am Choo-Choo.
Oh, you like when he calls you Choo-Choo? What do you want to do today?
Oh, my job.
What's your job?
It calls. It calls.
Really?
It calls blue.
The color blue? How did you get this job?
Mom did this get blue.
What are you doing? Huh? You're wiping your butt? Are you all done? What? Are you all done? You want to get down? Say help. Say all done. I see you have the coffee bag now. Say hi. Aiden. Okay, can you come get that, Junior? Get out here, buddy. Say You guys are killing me. You guys are killing me. Aiden. No, you don't hit mommy. No. Say sorry. Okay, let me lay Aiden down. I'll get your sippy, okay? use this one, okay? I'll put chocolate milk in it, okay?
Yeah,
Then what do you say?
huh?
Then what do you say?
Please.
Say, I'm sorry for acting like that, Mama.
About me, luckily, what happened between us that night? It always seems to trouble me. Now all of a sudden, these gossip rags wanna cover me. Making it seem like it happened and wait because of me. But I was curious, and I never forget it, baby. What an experience. It could have been the one, but it wasn't as serious. There was smoke in the air before, and I was clearing it. That felt good. I learned a lesson from it, though. You never see it coming, you just get to see it go. Yeah, I should have looked at everything the same, but it feels different. My dad called me up knowing that I still listen. And he still got his foot out, guilt tripping. Guess I gotta find it first. That's why
Hi.
I'm going off. Fireworks.
How am I supposed to videotape you if you're attacking me?
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
No, not me. You.
Oh.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
You're the best.
You're the best.
No, not me.
Mhm.
You're the best.
You're the best.
You're the best, Mom.
You're the best. Dance, baby, dance.
The chick that you call in the middle of the night to say you better with.
Round the clock, girl.
I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
Girl, you want top
I don't wanna be your best friend.
No, interrupt.
I don't wanna ever love you, 'cause boy, I love you. How do you feel about this? Let's explore.
Got to know.
How deep is your love? How deep does it go?
Nothing.
Might run down to the ocean floor.
Nothing.
Oh,
Okay, then you have to help me pick up all your toys.
Where?
Well,
This?
Yep. all your toys. You pick them up and put them under that table, okay? Come on, Junior.
Where?
Time for a nap. Do you want to take a nap in Mommy and Daddy's bed or in your bed? Okay. You gotta be quiet, okay? No videos. You already watched TV for the day. No? No?
I told Daddy. I told him. I told Daddy I was the scary movie.
Yeah?
Can I watch the scary movie?
Nope, you just got done watching TV.
I told Daddy I want the scary movie ever.
The scariest movie ever?
Uh-huh.
Okay. No, we're not watching it right now, though, Junior. You hear me? Maybe later, after you take a nap. What? Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. Oh, thank you. Right there.
Hi, guys.
Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Aiden.
My butt's not sticking out, is it?
No. Mama's gonna get you. Mommy's gonna get you. Oh, we don't want to record him because he has to.
Can you put Aiden up here too? Hang on, Junior! He has something in his mouth.
Sit
Can't
down.
anymore.
Sit on my back.
Say, giddy up, horsey! Okay, Aiden, you can my horse. What are you doing? What is that?
Ooh, yummy.
Oh, there goes
Oh.
Aiden's. Nice catch, Dad. Are you pooping? Say yes.
Oh,
Are you pooping?
oh, oh, oh.
And that's what Daddy does when he comes home. Why? Do you know why you're on timeout? Junior. Stop closing the door on me. Junior, I'm not playing. Why'd you do that? Juice. Juice. Baby kisses. I can't breathe. What? He's just laying on my face. Woo. Woo.
Hey, hello, baby, hello. Whoa. Whoa. Booby crab.